What's going on, y'all? This is Eddie. I'm here with Lines and More 925 out here in Antioch, California. I do junk removals. I help with cleaning. I help people move, and I also do yard work. You know, right now, I just want to thank you guys for tuning in. And right now, what I got behind me, I got a mattress that I'm about to dismantle. See, I have my nice little sharp blade right here, box cutter, and yeah, let's get to work. See how it's done. Oh, it's old, it's old, it's old. Can't use this no more. Got this off. Springs at the bottom. And for those that don't know, it's possible that you can recycle the springs inside of your bed mattress. So, just to get a closer look at what's going on here. So, I'm gonna get down to these springs down here. And, here we all done. More than welcome to stick around. Check out the end results. It's time consuming, but if you got patience, you do it right. Save you some money at the dump site. and less clutter in your truck, you know. Alright. Now for the old flipperoos. Flipperooski. Time for the old flipperooski. Yeah, if y'all need some help and you out here in the Bay Area, you're around Antioch, California, need some help moving, trying to get that junk out your house, trying to clear out your backyard, tired of your grass so high, just let me know. We'll come on over there, do a whole extreme backyard makeover on your property. You know? Yep. If you would like to be a friend, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all you have to do is hashtag LonsandMore925 and add me as a friend. It's free. Don't cost you no money. It's not gonna put you behind on your rent. Let me know. Add me as a friend. You know? Alright. Almost done. All of this debris right here, you can put this in your brown bin and let the garbage man take it out. Alright. That does it for today's video. Check it out. That's how you get a box spring, well, a mattress down to the springs. Yeah. Well, as you can see, my job is not done. So yeah, y'all take care. Thanks for watching it. And if you're not a friend yet, add me as a friend. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah. LonsandMore925. Y'all be good. I gotta get back to work. Peace.